Nissan, one of the world's astute car manufacturers, is working with government to establish an automotive manufacturing industry in Ghana. The company intends to make Ghana its hub for sales and marketing in West Africa. The managing director of Nissan Group of Africa, Mr. Mike Whitfield, and Trades Minister, Mr. Alan Shamating, signed a memorandum of understanding after meeting President Akufo-Addo at the Jubilee House.
Of government to inform the president of the company's preparedness to establish its presence in Ghana. Nissan aims to be the first car maker to assemble vehicles in Ghana, building on its market leadership in the country. President Akufo-Addo welcomed the decision by Nissan to establish an automotive manufacturing industry in Ghana.
There's no prosperity for our people continuing to be producers of raw materials and exporters of raw materials. We have to shift the paradigm in Ghana. One of the areas of focus for us is the automobile industry. There are 2 or 3 target sectors of the economy we're looking at to enable us, accelerate, motivate industrial development. The automobile industry is one of them. And that is why the minister and others are working so quickly to try and conclude an automotive policy. So that people like you, when you're coming into Ghana, you know what is available from the side of government, what assistance, what help, what incentives government can give to enable you to make the investment decision, then carry it out.
The MOU seeks to unlock economic potential, promote development of the automotive sector, and promote investor-friendly regulatory frameworks that encourage sustainable car manufacturing. The aim is to promote infrastructure development, job creation, and skills development in Ghana.
Nissan is I'm sure by volume and value, is the biggest auto company in our country. And for Nissan to make a strategic decision to set up a production base, assembly plant in Ghana as a major global company, I believe in itself is a reflection of their confidence in our country, the program that our president has launched.
After the meeting, management of Nissan signed the Memorandum of Understanding with the Minister for Trade and Industry, Mr. Alan Shamating, pending the passage of Ghana's automotive policy before production.
We are entering into this MOU with the government of Ghana, not just because of Ghana. We see Ghana as the gateway for us into Western Africa. As part of that journey, we've also announced today that we've established and selected Ghana and as our regional office for Accra. So it's a Nissan Motor Company regional office for West Africa based in Ghana, and it's from this office that we will grow our business presence in Ghana and in the region.
Nissan models account for 32.8% of vehicle sales in Ghana last year. The company's cars, pickups and SUVs are sold through a national network of 6 sales and service outlets. Nissan is the third to have expressed intentions to establish in Ghana after Volkswagen and Sinotruk.